and I'm falling like the leaves on the new. I follow your footprints when I can't hold you. And I didn't believe me, I was born to be with you. But don't believe that the world will answer to. And just for a second, I could be one of the greats. I'll be Caesar on the TV screen, champion of my fate. No one can tell me to stop. I'll have everything I want. Anyone and everyone will like me. When I was a child, I never felt like a child. I felt like an empire with a city bird. I got down on my knees, begging the trees to give me an answer. Should never back on, sir. And it's really like it didn't let me go. I never would like to buy a flat in Liverpool. And I trade my tongue in just to hear him every night. To talk about rescue and how they got it right. Just for a second, I could be one of the greats. I am Caesar on the TV screen, champion of my fate. No one can tell me to stop. I'll have everything I want. Anyone and everyone will like me then. Everyone will love me. Hola. We are the last dinner party. And I'd like to introduce the band to you. On drums is Casper. On vocals and keys is Aurora. On lead guitar and mandolin is Emily. On vocals and rhythm guitar is Lizzie. On bass is Georgia. And I'm Abigail. A room, a desk, mastering the art of lying still. This is our very first time playing in Portugal. And there's so many of you. Thanks a lot. I hope to be of some entertainment while you wait for Lana. I'm excited too. This is a love song.
Forgive me, Father, won't you take it back? We were lovers, bodies touching on park benches, stray dogs watching. It disgusts me now. I wish I didn't want you. Wish I could do. Back to the olive mount you led me to. The wind was blinding, so I clung to you. And you smiled so sweetly as you threw me down the rocks into the seaweed. Thought that I could fly. And I wish I didn't want you. Wish I could do without this blood on my face. Or a decent by me again. When it's 4 a.m. and your heart is breaking, I will hold your hands to stop them shaking. If it takes all night, I will be on your side when you're lying here. I believe you love me. You can hold my hand back when you kiss me. If you stay all night, I will be on your side when it's 4 and your heart is breaking. I will hold your hands to stop them from shaking. If it takes all night, I will be on your side.
Hola. Oh, wow. There's so many people. I'm gonna sing this next song. And it's about feeling ashamed for not knowing my mother tongue. It's called Jua, which means language or tongue in Albanian.
Oh, damn, thanks a lot. This is so many people. Wasn't expecting such a crowd at our little soiree. Well, listen, seeing as you're here, I feel like you all deserve a little treat for, for being so sweet and hi, hey, yeah, cool. So true. And that little treat is a song that's not on the album. It's a new song. Emily Roberts has more to say on the subject. Emily.
Yeah, this is a song about choosing to leave someone who treated you as second best. And you don't have to be.
Now the days grow long, and your hands and tears are lost to the wind. Take me back, let us walk by the shore, by the hand, by the hair. I don't care anymore. Put the wood at your feet, leave footprints on my back. I'll be first, I'll be last. Don't want to need to go back. Cheap, we come and white wine. Your cold answers mine. I'm wasting my time. You know I hate to lose, and maybe that's why I've left you behind. I feel like I've left you behind. Ain't it nice? Second best. Ain't it good? Second best. Ain't it nice? Second best. Ain't it good? Second best. Against the bottom tiles, your back goes on for miles. I'm losing my mind, babe. You know it ain't fair. I leave me a guy. He's living upstairs. There's always somebody down. Stairs, ain't it nice? Second best, oh, ain't it good? Second best, ain't it nice? Second best, oh, ain't it good? Second best. What do I do to be better for you? What do I do to be better for you? What do I do to be better for you? What do I do to be better for you? Take me back for you. Let us go by the shore, by the hand, by the hand. I don't care anymore. Take me better, treat me. I'm free, so I'll be first, I'll be last. I'm not taking take no back. Ain't it nice? Second best. Ain't it good? Second best. Ain't it nice? Second best. Ain't it good? Second best. Ain't it nice? Second best. Ain't it good? Second best. Ain't it nice? Second best. Ain't it good? Second best. Ain't it time back? Take me back. Let us go by the shore. Ain't it good? How about a second best? Ain't it nice? Second best. Ain't it good? I'll be lost. Don't want to need to go back. Obrigada, Primavera. You know, no good deed goes unpunished. And for giving you that little treat, I'd like to ask you give us something in return. It's
It's nothing creepy. Don't worry. It's simply to lend us your lungs and your tongues and your voices to help us sing this next one. Can you do that, Primavera? Didn't even need to ask. The words are very simple. All you have to do is sing, "Give me the strength." Now, I know that was your first time, but I think we can do better. There's a lot of you. Let's make the thunder come. Give me the strength! Fuck yeah. When you laid like a wolf with your head on my lap, I felt like one of those portraits of women protected by a beast on a chain. They look so safe, a guard dog built just for her. If only she knew that with one wrong move he'll turn around and tear off her hands. And I wish you had given me the courtesy of ripping out my throat. And I wish that I let you have the dignity of letting me go. I break apart without your arms. I smell of soap and petrol smarts. Let me feed you to my friends over and over again. Let my last words be our last dance. I'd die for you, no questions asked. If anyone could kill me, it probably would be. He's got letters on his fist, R.I.D. and triumph on his hips. He looks like one of those film stars with a blow-up doll and I wish you had given me the courtesy of staying one more night. And I wish that I had to put up a fight. I break apart without your arms. I smell of soap and petrol smarts. That was maybe the best we've ever had, Porter. And we've had a lot. Next up on our list of treats is a cover that we were doing when we were running around America, but we thought we'd bring it to you. It seemed appropriate tonight. lost an empty heart. I'm just a mirror. I don't exist without your care. I fade away. I fade away. I'm on the hunt for something, warm up out of the flesh. Is it in this city? Is it in your bed? Cool out with the sunrise, no one else's room. I'll leave you flowers, but not my name. Cause lately I've been drinking. I need to stop my thinking. Tell me how you're feeling. I'll reflect the reason. When I drown, will I get very far? When you drown, they'll forget who you are. I'm just a mirror in my glass to fix your heart. I'm just a mirror, pretty glass, empty heart. I'm just a mirror. I don't exist without your I fade away. I fade away. Anthony fucking Roman! Primavera, you are so very beautiful, and we have a few more. And this just is something that we like to do for fun, so if you enjoy it, that's great, but we're just gonna have a good time. Obrigado. Thanks for letting us get that out of our system. Now we can carry on with the rest of the show. Primavera, we have two more. Thank you for being so beautiful. I'd like to shout out the guys over there at the Superbook little area because they hyped us up during sound check, so go buy a beer. Tip 'em good. All right, this one's about going to Catholic school.
Me back to your swimming pool, you lovely little foolish thinking I could have you naked in a trench coat. I'll see what's happening. I wanna hear them sing. Teach me how to do as you do. Guide me, show me how, and let me be your arrow. Baby, make me bold. See what's happening. I wanna hear them sing. I wanna take your picture me in bed under your crucifix. I know you love my hair, I'll see what's happening. I wanna make them sing. Oh. See what
The naughty pulled my earpieces out. You're animals! Hey man, I can't fucking hear now. This is how you know we're doing this live. No, I can't hear. Oh, there we go. Oh, we've all got sangria. Okay, well, let me get mine. Cheers, Primavera! Obrigado. Thank you for being one of the best crowds we've ever had. Thank you for welcoming us to Portugal. We love it here. We're going straight to the beach. Have a wonderful rest of your evening. Look after each other. Get home safe. And just remember, nothing matters. like nothing matters, and you can hold me like he held her, and I will fuck you like nothing matters. If the cold comes crashing through, I'm putting all my bets on you. I hope they never understand us. I put my heart inside your palms, my home in your arms. Now we know nothing matters. And you can hold me like he held her, and I will fuck you like nothing matters. And you can hold me like he held her, and I will fuck you like nothing matters. And you can hold me and I will fuck you. Thank you, good night.